It's Tuesday, December 9th, 2014. Good morning, I'm forecaster Mark Spencer from NeoWeather.com. A few areas of a mix of rain and snow or rain this morning will give way to cloudy skies for much of the day. Some snow tonight and Wednesday. We'll take a look at the latest details and is more pleasant weather coming for the week ahead. Get all the details and much more starting right now. Cloudy across the area this morning. Low pressure is moving overhead. We had a few sprinkles earlier. Those have all but diminished. I don't think we're going to see much in the way of sprinkles through a good portion of the day. Could see some drizzle here and there. That would about do it. We're going to see rain showers redevelop later this afternoon and early this evening. Those will change over to snow showers overnight. Across the rest of the country this morning, it's pretty quiet, especially across the central portion of the country. Just really nothing to speak about here except for the cold air. Temperatures in the teens and 20s for a good portion of this area. The only other weather maker right now is actually along the East Coast with this East Coast storm we have out here. Low pressure sitting right about here just off the coast. It's going to track pretty much just parallel to the coast. However, models not quite agreeing on what this system's going to do over the next 36 hours. Some of them have it moving up towards Maine and then kind of stalling out and lingering right around Maine here for about 24 hours before finally weakening and pulling out of the area. Another model wants to bring this storm inland, or what we call retrograding, and bring it westward into parts of New York. If that were to happen, that would bring some wraparound precipitation into northeastern Ohio for Thursday. That could mean a little snow. But right now, the confidence in that particular forecast is very, very low. However, we're going to keep an eye on things to see if this system will affect our weather in the next day or two. Temperatures at 9 o'clock across northeastern Ohio are generally in the mid and upper 30s. We're at 40 at Sandusky, 38 along I-77 from Cleveland to Dover, New Philadelphia. We're at 36 Mansfield, Worcester, Youngstown, and Ashtabula. Our almanac for today, yesterday's high 46 to low 31. That puts us above our averages of 40 and 28. The record high today 62. Just a trace of rain for yesterday. Sunrise is at 7:42 a.m. and sunset at 4:58 p.m. On our futurecast, this shows a little bit more precipitation than what we're going to see, but it's later this afternoon tonight. We get rain showers developing off the lake. That changes over to snow, and they'll be here and there overnight into tomorrow morning. Then they're going to quickly diminish tomorrow afternoon, and we can see a lot of precipitation off to the east. That's from that East Coast storm we just took a look at a moment ago. Will that affect us? That's what we're going to keep an eye on. Otherwise, snowfall totals here very, very low, 1 inch to 2 at the most, and that's going to be pretty limited to the higher ground in Geauga County and very far eastern Cuyahoga County. Our forecast for today, maybe an isolated rain or snow shower or mix there early on. Otherwise, cloudy skies through much of the day with rain developing later this afternoon. Highs will be right around 40 degrees. Winds out of the south early will go to the north later this afternoon. And you can see temperatures generally in the upper 30s to near 40 through much of the day. Akron and Canton, we're not looking at anything different here. High around 42 degrees. Winds will come out of the north later this afternoon as well. Overnight tonight, we're going to see rain showers early. That's going to change over to snow. Then we're going to have light snow overnight. Accumulations 1 to 2 inches. Again, that's going to be east of Cleveland, generally in the higher ground of the snow belt. That's where those accumulations will be more likely. Otherwise, a dusting up to 1 inch at the most elsewhere. A low will be right around 33 degrees with very strong north winds, 15 to 25 miles an hour, could gust to over 30 miles an hour at times. Over the next 7 days, cloudy for your Wednesday, some snow showers east generally during the first half of the day. Could see 1 inch to 2 inches there, but again, I think that's going to be primarily confined to the higher ground if that does develop. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Our high will be right around 33. Some lake effect snow possible on Thursday as well. That would generally be during the first half of the day, high around 31. And then high pressure comes in, and we're going to start warming up here, folks. 36 for your Friday under mostly sunny skies. Saturday, another perfect day, 40 with lots of sun. 43 and mostly sunny for your Browns Sunday. That's the last home game, so if you're going to be going, that's the one you want to go to. And then as we start next week, we'll be in the upper 40s and near 50 under partly cloudy skies.